In this video, we're gonna share how to run Pinterest ads for a home decor brand and gain $800,000 of order value. This is one of our clients, and on this account, we have gained $800,000 of order value from Pinterest ads after just spending $23,000 of ad spend. Yes, you heard it right. We have gained $800,000 of sales after spending $23,000 in Pinterest ads. I'm gonna break down the whole thing in 4 easy steps so that you can gain that much of growth in a very easy way. Number 1 is create a business Pinterest account and connect Pinterest conversion tag with your website. And if you have a Shopify store, then it's going to be a piece of cake. You just need to install Pinterest apps into your Shopify dashboard and connect your Shopify website with Pinterest account. You can follow the simple instruction and we are good to go. And number 2 is make sure you set up your Pinterest account perfectly with proper name, title, bio description and Pinterest cover picture. Before starting the ads, it's very important to upload good qualities of content with SEO friendly title and description. Try to share 2 to 4 content every day. Don't run ads on a new account. Maximum people make these mistakes. They create a Pinterest account, upload few content and run the ads, which is a totally wrong decision. You have to create the Pinterest account, set up it perfectly, upload your content next 10 to 15 days, and then your account will be ready for the ads. Make sure you are managing and uploading content for next 7 to 15 days. And besides, make sure your every single pins you are saving on an exact board, relevant board. And number 3 is billing. You can add your payment method on Pinterest billing. You can easily add it and you can pay through your credit card or PayPal. And number 4 is creating the campaign. Now I will go through you step-by-step process how you can run Pinterest ads and gain that much of success. So here you can see this is the account of my clients and this is the account what we are running ads on. So if we just go to the ads analytics, so as you can see ads account analytics, and this is the account, and so you see this is the account and these are the ads analytics. So from there, if this month, as you can see, we have spent $4,000 and got $15,000 in real-time order value. As you know, Pinterest, and if we just try to go to all campaign overview, so here you can see we have run almost 137 campaign, and on 137 campaign you can see this is one of a campaign we have spent $2,800 and gain the order value is $229,000 of order value. If we just try to count the whole thing, as you can see here, we have spent $23,000 and got $801,000 of order. You can see total order value $801,000 of total order value. Now let's start how you can run ads. So simply from here we will click on create campaign, and from there you will see an option. One is automated campaign, one is manual campaign. Pinterest will give you recommendation what type of ads you should run. So here you can see they are asking me to run automated campaign. Automated campaign is very easy. You just need to choose the image or video and Pinterest will run the ads for you. And second is manual campaign. Right now we will go with the manual campaign because when you will run big campaign, you definitely need to go with manual campaign. So simply we'll go with the manual campaign, and from there, so as you can see, we have reached on a dashboard. So there are few types of categories we need to choose from there. So one is a brand awareness, one is consideration, one is conversion, and catalog, video view, video competition. When you are launching a new brand, you will go with the brand awareness. If you need video views or you want people to see your video, then you're gonna go with these two. And consideration ads means here you can see get more people click on your ads. So in consideration ads, people will see your ads, and in conversion, people will directly dive to your website. So it depends on you. If you want people to watch your ads, your product, then you will go with consideration. And if you want people directly drive into your website, from your website they will see your product, they will see more product, then you will go with the conversion ads. So maximum of my clients choose conversion ads. So let's go with the conversion ads because both are almost same. So we will go with the conversion. So here we will put a name, any kinds of name, and in the daily performance you will put daily performance, let's say $50. So we're gonna put $50, and from there we will go with continue. And from continue, this was our campaign and this is our ad group. So as you can see, on this campaign we can make 10 new ad group. So in one campaign we can make 10 ad group. That means if you have one campaign, if you have 10 categories of product, let's say sofa, bed and any other thing, then you can make ad group on sofa, on bed, on anything you want. So for now, let's go with the one ad group details. So from there we will choose reconnecting with users, find new customer, choose your own. So out of it, according to your need, we will choose one. So let's say target people who have already interested in your brand. Let's say you are running ads for really long time and you want your old people who has seen your brand, who has visit your profile or visit your website, you wanted to retarget them, then you will choose reconnecting with users. And when you are new to Pinterest, you definitely need to choose find new customer. So we are going to go with find new customer. So our targeting strategy is find new customer in the audience list. So as you are new, then your existing audience list will not appear, so let it be. So from there we will go with the interest and keywords. We simply click on interest and keywords. So here you can see in the interest there are few interest came up. So simply we're gonna write that, let's say home decor. So here you can see there are few interests came up. Let's say home decor tips, home decor center. So we're gonna directly choose home decor, let's say one, or we're gonna choose few of it. So we are choosing a big category, big interest from there, directly home decor, and we will add keyword besides it. So we're gonna choose one home decor, and in click we will click on add keyword. So from add keyword, we already researched our keyword. You need to research your own keyword. So this way I have already add 100 keywords. You can add minimum 50 to 100 keyword, which is the perfect for every campaign. So how you can add that much of keyword, you just simply go here and click home decor. So here you can see home decor idea. There are so many keywords have come. So if you click add, so this will add in your bottom of the line. So as you can see here, home decor idea have already had. If we add home decor idea more, then as you can see there are 102 keyword already added. This way you will choose the exact keyword your audience are. Definitely you need to research your keyword. You have to find out the best keyword, what will be best for you. And here our targeting is done. Now we will click on the demographic. So here you can see interest and target keyword are done, and from there we will go with the demographics. From demographics, if we are targeting women's, then we will choose women's here, and if we are targeting male, then we will target male. In this case we will target all gender. On the age, yeah, definitely you have to choose the age, because in our audience, because of its home decor, definitely teenagers are not gonna buy it. So we will go with the 25 to 64 is okay, good to go. And here location. From location we can choose all over US, and if you wanted to choose any specific areas, yeah, definitely you can do this. You can just need to click, and if you want to choose any region or any city or anywhere, let's say region, click on there, United States, and under United States, as you can see, where we can choose Florida or anywhere. And if you have area, then you can add with postal code. So add postal code. From there you can put every single areas of postal code which you wanted to target, you can add there. And from there our demographics also done. And then we can choose languages, and then device. Let's say in device, it's very important. If you are selling iPhone cover, then you're gonna get definitely choose iPhone user from there. That's the iPhone cover, you are choose iPhone cover. This also vary on a matter what product you are selling. So we're gonna go with the all devices. And from there, placement and tracking, if you want any exact tracking link or any exact placement, you can go with it. And for now we don't need it. And if we wanted to save this template, we can save it, or we don't need it for now, so we're not gonna save it. As you can see, our deliver thing, is it a add to cart or checkout? So if you want people drive into your account and buy it, you can directly go with add to cart. Or if you want your product to see the people first, if your first priority is people wanted to see your product, then you're gonna check out, you're gonna go with the checkout. And from there you can simply create your ads, create your idea ads, or create your pin. So simply we will choose one of our pin. So let's say we're gonna go with our this one and this furniture, so we will add them on here. And from there, in the call to action button, we will go with the visit site, or we can choose order now. And this way our ads is ready. Our ad is 100% ready. You can see from there add to bottom, and this way you can run conversion ads. I can ensure you, if you follow these steps and run these ads on your Pinterest account, I can ensure you can definitely get that much of growth in a very easy way. And if you have any problem or any question regarding that, feel free to connect with me. We provide 20 minutes of free consultancy also. We can definitely help you with that. If this video helped you, please make sure to subscribe. It will really help us. Thank you so much.